Oh, you do?
Very good.
Very good. Feel better. I feel valid kasi kailangan ng katawan kasi very athletic kasi naglalaro kami. So kailangan talaga ng maintenance. So sobrang thank you.
I feel my back really hurts, and then I do this all the time. When I do this, I feel so tired. Headache a lot of time. Every time. Sorry.
Every time? Like almost every day or?
Every day.
Oh, okay. All right.
Oh,
Right
here.
there? Between
Yeah.
your shoulder blades?
Yeah.
You can't do
It
that?
hurts.
It hurts, okay. I'll be on the side.
Yes. Oh! Wow!
How do you feel?
So good. Super. 10 over 10.
Nice.
Oh! 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 Kanami.
Good?
So good.
How do you feel?
Good.
Good? It was good.
I can say it's 90%.
97? Yeah,
Thank you so much,
All right.
doctor. So good.
Morning.
morning.
Good
Likewise.
morning. Welcome to our clinic. And can you tell us what brings you in? How can we help you?
Lately, I feel my back really hurts, and then I do this all the time. When I do this, I feel so tired. I'm not very comfortable when I'm working because I do this a lot. The pain here and this one
Okay.
right here.
How long have you had that?
2 years. Yes.
Okay. And how often do you have headaches?
All the time. Yes. When I do, or when I'm in my classroom, when I'm in front of the camera or in front of my laptop, and then I feel headache a lot of time. Every time. Sorry.
Every time? Like almost every day or?
Every day.
Oh, okay. All right.
They said that I have a mild scoliosis. So, but I can't afford it because it's 15,000 5 sessions. So I didn't go there. Oh, here.
Right there? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Not the other way. Between your shoulder blades?
Yes.
Anything there? No?
No.
Okay, how about the other arm? Okay there?
Here.
Oh, so there is something there. Okay. Anything there?
Here.
Right there?
I can't really do this.
You can't do
It
that?
hurts.
It hurts, okay. I'll be on the side.
Yes.
Let's release that area. Take a deep breath in.
And do it then.
Blow it out. Yes,
Oh! Wow!
How do you feel?
So good. Super. 10 over 10.
Nice.
Oh! What?
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, so.
Yeah, I think.
Oh!
Wow.
Wow.
How does it feel?
I want to just rate it 10 over 20 over 10. 20.
That's a good score. Yeah.
100% satisfying, promise.
There you go.
Wow.
Wow.
So good. Oh!
Oh. Yeah,
Wow.
that's a lot of tension. Oh. Wow.
ASMR.
That's a lot of
I can see clearly now.
Does it affect vision? The spinal line? Oh yeah, she has eye problems.
Yeah, some people have said they're able to focus better now.
Yes. I feel enlightened.
Yeah, enlightened.
If that's what you call it. Enlightened.
It's like magic, right?
Oh! Kanami.
Do you understand the local language?
Local language.
We're from
Minami.
Visayas.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Does your chin toward the chin? Good?
So good.
How do you feel?
Good.
Good. There was something here before, right?
Yes.
Okay, now turn.
I'm good.
Not the same stress thing.
No.
The other side. Different?
Yes.
Okay.
It's good.
Alright.
Than before.
Very cool.
Yes. I can feel it, but it's good. Than
It's better.
better.
Where do you go?
Here.
Not 100%, but better.
Yes.
Okay, good.
I can say it's 90%.
90%? Okay, good.
Look at you.
90% better? That's good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, that's good.
All right. I'm happy to hear that.
And then when I when you do this, when you do that one, the
this
procedure, okay, I feel so. After that, I feel so.
Relieved.
Yes, relieved, and my vision is clearer. Yes, so I like it a lot. Big thumbs up. Yes,
Highly recommended.
yes, I want to go back here
Yeah.
because it's so satisfying.
Mhm.
And then when you, as you hear the cracks, okay, it's so very good. Feels so good right now.
So what you're feeling is when the spine's misaligned, there's a lot of stress.
Yes,
And so you feel a lot of
but
tension.
now I can, maybe my body is, I can explain. There's no words. Maybe
Ganun.
gaano siya, doon ko bala, doon ibalahas ko bala.
She felt the sweat. Yeah.
More
Kind
alive.
of warm.
Yes,
Yeah.
more alive. I can feel it. I can feel my back now. Before I can't,
Oh,
but
okay.
now yes, I can feel
More
it.
aware of
You
it.
feel taller.
Taller. Maybe I'm good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So again, yeah, when your spine's misaligned, a lot of stress, a lot of tension, and you're fighting gravity all day, so you feel fatigued at the end of the day. Now, when your spine's in alignment, you don't fight. Look, you're sitting up straight without much energy now, right?
Yeah.
So
Really?
less fatigue, right?
Really
Well,
straight.
yeah, your posture's really nice, really right.
Yes.
You're sitting up straight, and you probably are not using as much energy now as before to sit up straight. Make sense?
Yes. I'm good. Wow.
She's satisfied. Yeah.
Very.
I can tell. I can tell.
Maybe I'll be happier. Oh, happier.
Yeah, because it really affects her mood
Oh, yeah.
doing like this.
Maybe I have some anxiety.
Yeah, she has a lot of anxiety. Maybe that adds to that. Because it's a lot of neck. A lot of neck. That's a lot of headache.
Computer work, right?
Yes. But oh,
See?
I think you can sit straight now.
yes. I can be.
I'm really investing on our health
Yeah.
because we're still young and we want to be active.
That's the best investment, right? Invest in your health.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Thank you so much,
Right.
doctor. It's so good.
Oh, my pleasure.